Let's go over how to use the needle minder. This is a needle minder with a magnetic back. It has two magnets. You can open it up like this. One magnet is fixed to the wooden piece and cannot be removed. The other one can be taken off like this or reattached. Both are easy to do. It may look small, but it's incredibly useful. Let me show you how it works. Here is one of our product designs. Take out the needle minder. On the back, remove the second magnet and set it aside. Place the wooden piece on top of the design. For example, if this area doesn't need stitching right now, you can place the wooden piece on top of the fabric here. Then place the second magnet on the back of the fabric to attach it. If you feel this position is getting in the way of your stitching, you can gently slide it to a different spot. That's perfectly fine. This way, the needle minder stays firmly attached to the fabric. No matter how much you shake or move it, it won't fall off. It holds on very securely. You don't need to worry about it falling at all. Now let me tell you what it's used for. While embroidering, you might misplace your needle or lose track of it because it's so small. That's when the needle minder really comes in handy. Let me show you. Say you're currently stitching this design and suddenly something comes up and you need to step away or you want to take a break. You might just leave the needle on the fabric or toss it on the table. Then when you pick up the hoop again, the needle falls off or you accidentally poke yourself. That's where the needle minder saves the day. Simply place the needle like this, gently on top of the needle minder. No matter how much you shake it, the needle will not fall off. It stays firmly attached to the needle minder. This way, you can step away and do other things with peace of mind. No need to worry about losing the needle. It also prevents you from leaving the needle on the table or stuck in the fabric, where you might accidentally poke yourself or someone else. And when the needle is held by the minder, it stays in place. If you attach it here, it stays right here. Unless you move it by hand, it won't shift. Otherwise, wherever you place it, it stays right there. When you come back after your break, you can find the needle right away. Just pick it up like this and continue stitching. Pretty convenient, right? Isn't it handy? Once you finish stitching, or if you no longer need the needle minder, simply hold the wooden piece on top of the fabric, gently, and lift it up. It comes right off. The magnet on the back will drop away automatically. Just take the second magnet and the first magnet and snap them back together, and that's how you remove the needle minder. When you're not using it, you can also use it as a fridge magnet or a decorative pin. Both are great options. That wraps up our introduction to the needle minder.